Hi friends, Dr. Joe here. I hope you all are doing fine and welcome to this video. I have been watching and investing in the Indian stock markets from 1994, that is 31 years. I have completed my graduation in 1993. I started working from April 1993. I got a job from the next day I completed my graduation board exams. So I started investing. I always say that investing is totally different from trading. For example, if you want to invest, you focus on the fundamentals of the company, like how long the company has been in business, how much profit percentage it makes, how much sales growth it has year on year. Is the management a team of competent individuals with good track records? Is the debt decreasing or new debts has been taken for new projects and not for managing working capital? Is the product still relevant? People and companies are still using the product. There are no major competitors, and even if there is competition, there is enough customers for all. There is huge entry barriers. No new company can easily enter into the market. Company is in a sector that is growing. The national environment is favorable for the company. The global environment is favorable for the company. You have to look at all these things if you're investing individually into an individual stock. At the same time, you have to analyze all this information and you should logically feel that this is a good stock to invest, not because somebody else is asking you to invest. At the same time, you need to give time, a minimum 7 years, to make sure your wealth is getting compounded. If you're hurrying, that means you are not even giving time for your wealth to grow. So that's why I say that investing is totally different. Now, all these points which I've just said has to be studied in detail. These are not just one glance point. You have to understand each and every aspect in detail. And there are hundreds of videos and books available to study these. Now, if you're too lazy to do all this, the best way is invest through mutual funds because all this hard work is being done by professional fund managers who will manage your fund for you for a small fees. So that's about investing. If you want to do it yourself, you have to go through the pain of research or give it to a professional person for a small fee. But when you talk about trading, it's totally different. I have been trading in the markets from 2009. I have been trading intraday. I have been trading derivatives. I have been trading forex. Since I have been trading, there have been many changes in the trading environment. Changes like introduction of robo trading, introduction of algo trading, introduction of quant trading, and many other things. But even after all that, we see that 75% to 95% of all traders lose their money. It's only 5% to 15% traders that win money. Then, with so much technology, why are these traders losing? Because, like every other profession, trading is also a profession. Strategy is not the only thing, it needs conviction and experience. Strategy you can create by learning, backtesting, reading books, listening to others. It can be done quickly, but conviction will only come through experience. The markets are very, very dynamic. It keeps moving up, down so quickly that if you do not have a mindset of a fearless warrior, you will cut your trade in the first sign of danger. Means as soon as the market moves against you, even for few points, you will fear and you will cut the trade. How does one become a fearless warrior? To become a fearless warrior, first you need to have the knowledge. Second, you need to have the experience. And third, you need to have the conviction that what I am doing is right. I will surely win. For example, if you are a trader and you have good experience, then you will know that if you are entering in a support zone for a buy in a higher time frame, then wait for the price to give you an indication in a smaller time frame that you can enter the price. Then once you enter, you know the price will go up, will come down, will go up, will come down. But it will surely reach the resistance zone where you can book your profits. Then you will not have any fear because everything what I have said, you have seen hundreds of times because of the experience that you have in the stock markets. At the same time, risk management also plays an important role. If you risk too much in one trade, you will always live in fear of blowing up your account. But if you risk small percentage of your equity, you will watch and enjoy the price movement like you enjoy watching and playing a video game. Strategy not only means when and where to enter and exit a trade, it also means how much to risk in each trade. When you increase the lot size gradually, because if you don't scale up when things are right for you, you will lose an opportunity where you could make a huge profit. So, both entry and exit, risk management, and scaling, all these things are important. Now, to prove my point, I am displaying an account history for the last 3 weeks where I have booked 4% profit. Just have a look. I have more losses than I have profits. But whenever I win big. And at any given point, I don't have a loss over 2%. That's the maximum I can take risk for any single trade and trade only one financial instrument. You will also see that I gradually increase the lot size whenever I hit a loss. This way, every time I win big and I also cover up for the losses which I have done in the previous trades. But I do not double. I do it in a very, very calculative way. Now, how to do the calculations? I have made a video on it too. You can go through that video. Now, just imagine you make 4% or 5% in a month. That is almost 50% to 60% in a year risk free profit. I hope you get it. You don't have to rush to make big profits. You have to gradually collect your coins. This way, you will collect a lot of coins by the end of the year, which will be huge profits from your small trading account. Don't go to double your trading account in 1 month. Take it easy. This way, by managing your risk, lot size, entry, and exit, you will become a consistently profitable trader. Friends, I hope that this video has made it clear that trading is totally different from investing. Second, keep the strategy simple and practice the strategy so many times that you become an expert in one strategy and one financial instrument. That's more than enough to make you profitable and a consistent trader for your life. You can make money throughout your life, no looking back, but you have to go slow. The golden saying which says, slow and steady wins the race. That saying is apt for a trader. Well, friends, that's all in this video. If you love the way I'm creating these videos, kindly like and share these videos. So, like you, there are others who want to learn trading the right way. These videos will surely help them to improve their trading. And friends, if you're still not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and smash that bell icon because every time I see a new subscriber, I get motivated to create more such simple but useful content for learners of the financial world. And friends, I do not want to sign out without saying these golden words. Keep learning, keep growing, keep getting better every single day. Thank you. Namaskar.